The issue of missing persons in Pakistan has sparked concerns, with allegations of enforced disappearances by state authorities and security agencies. Recently, Altaf Hussain, the founder and leader of Pakistan's Muttahida Qaumi movement, addressed this issue during the inauguration of his book on the Israel-Palestine conflict. Hussain called for the release of all missing individuals regardless of ethnicity and emphasized the importance of reconciliation and mutual respect among citizens. A report.
The issue of missing persons has been a long-standing concern in Pakistan, with allegations of enforced disappearances by state authorities and security agencies. It has particularly affected individuals associated with political activism, ethnic movements, or dissenting voices. Human rights groups have criticized the lack of transparency, accountability, and legal recourse for victims and their families, and have called for the government to take decisive action to address this issue. Recently, the founder and leader of Pakistan's political party, Muttahida Qaumi movement, Altaf Hussain, expressed concern over the matter, highlighting the dangers and challenges the country is facing. While addressing on the occasion of inauguration of his book, The Israel-Palestine Conflict, in light of historical facts, Hussain called for the protection of individual rights, an end to discrimination against minorities, and the safe return of missing persons. Altaf stressed the importance of fostering dialogue as a means to address these issues, emphasizing the need for mutual respect, tolerance, and unity among citizens.
फौज और आईएसआई से कहता हूं कि बलोचों को, पश्तूनों को, सिंधियों को और महाजर को, उर्दू स्पीकिंग जो महाजर हैं उनको, जो आपके पंजाबी, उनको सब लोगों को जो लापता है उनको बाजियाब कर दें आप। अल्लाह क्या देर है अंधेर नहीं, इस बात से डरे आप। सब अपने अपने घरों पे जाएं, दोबारा से किसी तरीके से रिकंसिलिएशन मुल्क में किया जाए। मुल्क बचाना है तो एक दूसरे को खुले दिल से बर्दाश्त करना होगा और एक दूसरे के हक को तस्लीम करना होगा।
Altaf Hussain, a prominent Pakistani politician primarily representing the Urdu-speaking population, especially in the urban areas of Sindh, has historically played a significant role in Karachi's politics. Known for his strong rhetoric, Hussain led the MQM for several decades from his self-imposed exile in the United Kingdom. Altaf has made various accusations against the Pakistani army and ISI over the years. He has also accused the military of orchestrating crackdowns on his party and its supporters.
पंजाब के लोगों, खुदा के लिए अल्ताफ हुसैन को समझो, केपीके के पश्तून भाइयों, अल्ताफ हुसैन को समझो। कितना बदनाम किया है मुझे इसी फौज और आईएसआई ने। मैं डटा रहा, मैं भी सौदा करके 1 साल में वापस जा सकता था, 2 साल में नहीं किया। उसूलों पे सौदा नहीं। हाँ, बातचीत करने के लिए कल भी तैयार था, आज भी तैयार हूं। शरीफाना अंदाज में बात कीजिए और झूठे वादे न कीजिए, झूठे वादे न कीजिए।
The relationship between the Pakistani army and MQM has been complex and sometimes contentious. There have been periods of tension between the MQM and the military establishment, especially during the times when the military has taken action against the party or its affiliated groups. Altaf Hussain has in the past accused the military of interfering in civilian affairs and targeting the MQM unfairly. Due to the sensitive nature of these allegations and the complex political dynamics in Pakistan, The accusations of Altaf have been subject to varying interpretations and debates within the country.